Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. Ayan, I hope you are all doing well, strong and healthy wherever you are. Ayan, general reading, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa aking channel. And just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let us see your energy for this week. Wow, Queen of Pentacles. Ang confident, oh, 'di ba? Maaring you are someone na breadwinner sa family, you are a provider sa family, so you're confident in your finances right now. So maaring meron ring harvest sa inyo. Yung kung ano yung mga pinunla ninyo. So, you are harvesting it this week. Yan yung kaperahan. Maaring you have a business or you are also, may leadership role sa'yo sa career mo or sa business. So, this is your challenge. Ano naman challenge ng mga Aries? The Sun. As a challenge, may mga pagkakataon na hindi ka nagtitiwala sa sarili mong kakayanan, no? Kasi ang Sun is about your energy, your confidence. Siguro may times na sobrang pagod ka, no? May mga times na feeling mo wala kang sapat na energy. Ang dami mo kasing ginagawa, no? Maaring you are really someone na maraming nakaasa. Oo. You are providing for a lot of people. So, pag ganito, kung kulang sa energy, magpahinga, 'di ba? Pahinga lang. So, let's see your opportunity for this week. Two of Swords. Okay, you have the opportunity to make a decision finally. Kung meron kang dinidelay na pagdesisyonan or gawin, maaring this week, no? May opportunity ka na to finally choose, pumili kung sino ba talaga or saan ka ba talaga. Oo. Kung alin or sino. Basta may pipiliin ka and the opportunity here is you'll be able to choose what's best for you. So this is your blessing, the Moon. The Moon is about intuition, your instinct. So I think as a blessing, no, mas malakas yung yung intuition mo, yung instinct mo, yung kutob mo sa maraming bagay. So that makes sense with the Two of Swords. I think itong decision making mo na to may kinalaman na to sa yung kung parang mahirap siyang pagdesisyonan. Pero dahil you are connected to your higher self, to your instinct, it's going to be much easier for you to finally do it. Kasi maaring merong mga signs na ipapakita sa'yo this week na kung alin yung dapat mong piliin. Alin or sino. Ano ba tong pinagdidesisyonan ng mga Aries? Anong area of life? Friendship. Okay. Yung iba sa friendship, sa community, kung sasali ka sa community or meron kang i-open na social media profile or pwedeng maaring magjo-join ka sa isang group or Pwede rin, halimbawa, gusto mong magbenta sa TikTok o mag-open ka ng TikTok shop, ganyan. What else? Okay, 10th house. Okay, 10th house is about your career. So, pwede rin tong related sa trabaho mo, no? Meron kang pinagpipilian. Saang landas ang iyong tatahakin sa iyong career. And as a blessing, the moon is also about a nurturing energy. So, you also have kumbaga, meron kang sapat na lakas para mag-alaga ng mga taong mahal mo. 'Di ba? Kasi provider nga eh. You're a good provider, a great provider. So let's see your energy ng recent past. Ano yung energy ng recent past ng mga Aries? You have the Emperor. So this is your energy. I think meron kang kinuhang responsibility. Nung nakaraan, pwedeng kahit ano to, responsibility sa trabaho, sa pera, sa family mo. And this is your present energy, King of Swords. Very much analytical ka ngayon. Kapag nag-iisip ka, mas logical kung saan mas mapapabuti. Siguro mas iniiwasan mo yung laging puso ang pairalin. Oo. And your immediate future. 7 of Pentacles. Oo, tuloy lang. Ituloy mo lang whatever you are doing na nakikita mo yung progress, yung pag-unlad. Kasi eventually, you will see the results. Kasi it will come into fruition. Kailangan rin dyan patience. Patience is the key to success. 'Di ba? Kung meron kang, lalo na pag meron kang itinanim, 'di ba? Merong sinimulan. Syempre, it takes some time for you to see the results. Basta ang importante, hindi ka nagka-quit, hindi ka tumitigil. Heart medicine, let go of that which does not serve your highest good. Meron kang ila-let go na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad. Maaring isa yan sa decision making na gagawin mo this week. And owl, detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. O, diba, yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, present energy ninyo is the King of Swords, someone who is very logical, na iniiwasan na samahan ng emotions, yung mga decisions sa buhay at mga gagawin ninyo. So, kuha tayo ng for your self-care. Self-care card for Aries. Rebel. Okay. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. Ayan. So, this is about your independence. Pagkakaroon ng sarili mong desisyon sa buhay. Minsan kasi parang iniisip natin na hindi natin kayang makapag-desisyon kasi kailangan natin ng go signal ng ibang tao. But if you are mature enough to decide for yourself, then why not do it, no? You have that power. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.